MAHB is exiting a joint venture airport project in the Maldives. The airport's operator is selling off its 23% stake in GMR Malé International Airport for $7.3 million or 28.5 million ringgit cash to JV partner GMR Holdings. The project was aimed at modernizing and operating the airport under a 25-year concession agreement. However, the deal was terminated and declared void due to GMR's inability to collect airport development charges and insurance surcharges. Dagang Exchange or DNex will be developing a halal park in the Philippines. The project is in partnership with the nation's Department of Education Region 5 and Naga City. Under the MOU, DNex has the exclusive right to undertake several initiatives for the halal park. These include establishing and managing the halal logistics within the park and setting up a halal certification body. DNex currently operates the Go Halal e-marketplace, a platform where buyers and suppliers can exchange products, services and information on the industry. Hong Leong Investment Bank research says there's a high chance that UMW Holdings will raise its offer price for MBM Resources. Yesterday, MBM rejected UMW's offer of RM2.56 per share for a 50.07% stake in the firm. Analyst Daniel Wong believes the existing offer price is relatively unattractive. This is given the huge discount of 30% to MBM's net tangible assets of 1.44 billion ringgit as at December 2017. He has a hold call on UMW with an unchanged target price of 6 ringgit 10 cent. However, the target price could be downgraded should the conglomerate fail to acquire MBM by the end of April. CIMB Group expects to maintain a strong growth momentum this year. Group Chairman Datuk Sri Nazir Razak said this in CIMB's 2017 annual report. Nazir wrote that at Davos last month, he sensed more optimism than at any time since the global financial crisis. He said this was fueled by the IMF raising its global growth forecast to 3.9% for 2018 and 2019, riding on synchronized global recovery, buoyant trade and financial markets, and US tax reforms. CIMB is expecting ASEAN to grow by 5.1% this year, with Malaysia at 5.2% and its second biggest market, Indonesia, at 5.3%. The Works Ministry wants local authorities to make it mandatory for new developments to utilize the Industrialised Building System or IBIS. Works Minister Datuk Sri Fadilah Yusof notes the IBIS adoption has been relatively slow among the smaller players. In contrast, the bigger players like IGM Holdings and Gamuda have been more receptive. In response to comments that IBIS is more expensive, he says it will be more feasible once there is bigger demand and higher volume of components.